What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Cassie Rodriguez, and I'm the creator slash owner of Gripknott. And in today's video, since I was talking a lot about steaming in the last 10 tips for 2026 video, I figured, hey, why not bring you guys in on what I do to keep my hair looking refreshed in between washes. Basically, I'm gonna be showing you my steaming routine. So first things first, I'm gonna show you the state of what my hair is looking like right now. A little crusty and dusty, but you know, it's okay. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. It could have been worse. It's looking all right. So we're gonna see if we can rejuvenate my hair from looking so stiff. If we can bring some life back into it, condition it, clean my scalp, soften my locks, just rejuvenate my hair. So what I'm going to be using for today's steaming video is my hibiscus hydration herbal mist, bringrage oil. We got the steamer itself, hairbrush, and my crochet needle if I want to tune up some locks. Now, usually for steaming hair, people usually use the overhead bonnet steamer or more professional salon made steamers to get the full steam just distributed all over their hair equally. But since that's really expensive, I just got myself a regular clothing steamer, which does basically the same thing, but you're just gonna have to put in more arm work to get it distributed evenly within the 10 minutes or 15 minutes that it lasts. So yes, I got it from Goodwill. As you can see the sticker that I did not take off yet. But we're gonna be using this baby. I just bought this. Yes, you can see the tag. I just bought this for Goodwill because my old steamer broke. Literally, it was throwing fire hot spitballs in my face, and it was getting dangerous to use for steaming. So it was time to throw it out and get a new one. So I'm excited to try this today. I tested it already, and the steam just seemed so relaxing. Like I'm about to be having my own spa day today. So let's do it. So for these kind of steamers, well, for every steamer, I believe, you need to put distilled water in it. I believe distilled or purified, one of the two. But basically not your pipe water, because usually hard water is not compatible with this. So get distilled water, get whatever water you can buy from the store, just so your steamer can last longer, because I've learned from the past that it does break down your steamer a lot quicker when you use, your pipe water instead of just getting bottled water. So, quick tip. Got my water. And now I'm gonna plug this in. Look at this. Look how cool this is. Like, I think this right here sold me. Like, I don't have to wrap this up anymore. It just wraps itself up. Okay, I'm done. Don't mind me. We're gonna plug this in. I'm so excited about the steamer. It was such a steal of a deal. Okay. So we got that plugged in. And again, like I said earlier, we're gonna start with the hibiscus hydration herbal mist from Gripknott. Now, I don't spray too much of this in my hair. All you need is a bit, right? Wow. Just think of this as like you're applying your conditioner before the steam sets it in, before the steam kind of helps it to penetrate your hair even better. So I know I said don't spray a lot, I'm not spraying a lot. But anyways, my hair was dry, okay? It needed it. It was dry. So that's why we are doing this steam as well. Because my hair is dry. Right? So anyways, my hair is feels wet. It's not like damp, but it is just wet. There's just it feels wet, so you just don't want it to be dripping because then you're gonna lose your style. You know what I mean? I don't really care about my style when I'm steaming because I care more about the health of my hair. So I'm trying to get all the benefits that I can get through this steam. So I go all the way in with massaging and oiling and making sure that the steam does its job. It's bubbling up, as you probably can hear. Yeah, you can hear that.
Nope.
I'm getting hot now. My bathroom doesn't really have a window, but maybe you might want to do it in a place that has a window so you're not turning your room into a steam room because it gets hot real quick. Just letting you know. Right? It's almost there. It's almost ready. All right. And it's ready. I don't know if you can see that steam. I think you can. Yeah, it looks like you can. All right. So we got about 10 minutes of this happening. So what you're going to want to do, you're just basically letting it steam your hair. Okay. Oof. And I usually do maybe 5 minutes on one side and then 5 minutes on another side. There we go. That's a lot better. Oh yeah, this one is so much better than my old steamer. Oof, that is good. All right, it's been about 10 minutes, as you can see, by my bathroom that has now turned into a sauna. But you can see how hydrated my hair looks and it feels so soft. All right, guys, my mic literally died right at this spot. So convenient, but I'll just continue to voice over what I was saying in this video. So right here, I'm just gonna show you what I do right after the steam. I go in with some bringage oil, rub that all over my hands, and what I'm doing here is just I'm trying to place it all over my locks, distribute it evenly from the roots to the tips, And I don't apply this to my scalp only because it just makes my scalp inflame and itch really badly, almost to the point where it burns. So I don't do that because, as I was saying earlier in the video, I am nearing my wash. So I'm trying to keep my scalp as light as possible and just apply everything to my roots, to my tips. Now I follow that in with a brush, and why I brush my hair right after is because it helps with distributing the oil all throughout my locks evenly. It helps to remove lint and just also with the frizziness that comes with steaming. So I just continue doing that. As you can see, I was loving the volume, I was loving the softness of my hair, and I had to express it. Right here, I'm just showing you an example of how not to hold your steamer. You don't want it too close to your scalp because it will burn you. Keep it at a distance so you just are getting the water vapor and you don't want the crazy heat. You just want the mist. You want the steam that flows from a distance. That's what you want. Because if it's too close, remember this is a clothing steamer and it acts like an iron, so it will burn you. Right here, I'm just rating it. I gave it a 10 out of 10 because I just love the softness of my hair. I love how moisturized it felt. I love that it gave him some volume, even though at my roots, as you can see, it looks a bit poofy. I still love it. My style is gone, but I don't really care much because I'm just loving how my hair feels at this moment. And with the coming days, it'll just turn into a style. I think I'm explaining my roots right now, how it's frizzy, but it's okay. And right here, I usually tie it up so then it can continue air drying. And then if I'm feeling like it, I usually go in with my crochet hook just to smooth out my locks look, to make it look more uniformed, to seal in all of that moisture that I have put in my hair. I usually make sure that I'm wearing a bonnet or some sort of satin scarf or pillow. But yes, guys, thank you so much for sticking with me all the way to the end. If you have, and if you're still watching and you enjoyed it, please press that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, just for more content, more updates on my hair and more updates on Gripknott itself. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys, I love you. Stay grippy and stay naughty. God bless you guys. Bye.